Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie and today you're on my channel Home Gardening. Today I came to you with another video. Today I want to show you my beautiful Begonia Gryphon. I know you adore watching videos on begonias, how to grow them, how to propagate, how to care begonia plants. And today I want to show you my beauty that of course I've managed to grow from a single leaf. Just look at these leaves. They are amazing. They are really like Gryphon like. That color, that silver green color. This type of begonia is just adorable. It's just amazing for me. And of course I want to talk with you about how to grow such type of begonia, how to propagate, how to care of it. Actually it's rather easy to care for. And of course don't forget about tips of begonias, because a lot of begonias have different colors on the inner part of their leaves, like this one. Just look at this amazing red color. This begonia is beautiful from every single side. From this side it's just amazing. From this side it's amazing, guys. It's just amazing. Just look at these beautiful leaves. Of course, begonia can be propagated from a single leaf, from a part of a leaf. I've made videos on that type of propagation, so you can check it in the description box below, or you can go to my channel to videos and to investigate, so to say, and to watch all of my videos, especially what's according begonia plant. Also, I like this part of this begonia. This part I like the most, because this happens when you cut your begonia. When you cut your begonia, this stem is becoming looking like this. So yeah. And now the leaves, the most interesting thing. So here I have leaves just somewhere like this. They are in a water, and as you see, they already have roots. Of course I have some additional leaves of begonias in my plastic cup, and as you can see there are roots. Also I have this type of begonia. Of course 3 leaves of this type begonia Gryphon. They are also with roots, as you can see. So the propagation actually is rather simple. Just take the biggest, the healthiest, the nicest looking leaf, cut it, put it in the water, and just wait for a few weeks. This result I managed to get in 2 weeks, 2.5, yeah, 2.5 weeks, as it's summer now. It's rather warm now, so the roots appears very soon. Also you can propagate your begonia not from the whole leaf like I do, like this. You can propagate from a part of a leaf. Just take the part of a leaf, cut it on this vein. I've showed it in one of my previous video. You can check that up, and propagate the part of a leaf like this, just watching the veins, and cut the veins and put them in a soil and propagate them. It's also very simple. So So this is how I managed, well, this is how I managed to grow this beautiful begonia plant. And now let's plant my leaves together. I like to do all steps with you guys. In case you can see everything, you can ask me any question if you have. If you don't understand something, please ask me questions in the comments below. I'm open, I always answer all your questions. So now let's plant the leaves and let's grow begonias. So I prepared my containers with my favorite potting mix, and now just let's plant the leaves. I just make a hole. It is very important to make a hole, not to make a hole with your cutting, just to make a hole with some other thing. It's better for roots to grow and for plants. Just make a hole, put my leaf in it. Everything is very simple, very fast, like this. One more leaf, like this. And the last one. So as you can see, it is very simple, but it's not a good way to propagate your leaves, because in this way you will have not much plants. As I said before, you can propagate with a part of your leaf just to multiply your plants, to make it much more. So yeah, this is how I managed to grow this beautiful bush of Begonia Gryphon just from a single leaf. And now we'll be continue growing them, we'll be feeding them, cutting them, caring them. So stay tuned.